Hi, hello, namaskara, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ welcome back to our YouTube channel Vibing with Pixels. Today in our food review segment, we are visiting Onesta, which this is a barbecue sausages pizza topped with barbecue sauce and chicken sausages. To be honest, I didn't like this flavor, so not recommended. This is a basil pesto sauce and chicken pizza, topped with the tasty green basil pesto sauce, enriched with olives, roasted chicken, and cheddar cheese. In desserts, we ordered a death by chocolate cake and a chocolate mousse jar, and in mocktail we tried virgin mojito and a green apple cooler. To conclude with, all the pizzas except the barbecue sausages were really good and delicious with thick crust, fluffy and loaded cheese, and all the pizzas were cooked to the perfection, and they gave a variety of topping selections as well. Overall, both food and service was amazing at a reasonable price.